Welcome to our in-depth review of the Hotel Riu Palace Mexico, a stunning 5-star all-inclusive resort nestled in the heart of Playa del Carmen. This elegant beachfront property offers a perfect blend of luxury, relaxation, and Mexican charm. Let's dive into what makes this hotel a top choice for travelers seeking a memorable Caribbean getaway. First, let's talk about the accommodations. The Hotel Riu Palace Mexico boasts a variety of room types to suit every traveler's needs. From spacious junior suites to luxurious villa junior suites with private jacuzzis, there's something for everyone. The junior suites are a popular choice, offering a clean and fresh feel with modern amenities like satellite TV, Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and a minibar. For those seeking a bit more luxury, the junior suite with sea view provides stunning ocean vistas to wake up to each morning. If you're looking for the ultimate indulgence, the Villa Junior Suite Jacuzzi is an adults-only option that features a private jacuzzi on the terrace, perfect for romantic evenings under the stars. All rooms are decorated in a contemporary style with touches of traditional Mexican decor, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The comfortable beds are a highlight for many guests, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a day of sun and fun. And let's not forget the beverage dispenser in each room, because who doesn't love a refreshing drink at their fingertips? Now let's move on to one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. The Hotel Riu Palace Mexico doesn't disappoint when it comes to dining options. With 7 restaurants to choose from, your taste buds will be on a journey of their own. The Las Olas Buffet restaurant is the main dining venue, offering a full American breakfast with live cooking stations that'll make you want to wake up early just for the food. For dinner, you can explore a world of flavors at the various specialty restaurants. Fancy some fusion cuisine? Head to Crystal Restaurant for unique dishes that combine different culinary styles. Craving sushi? Kabuki Restaurant serves up delicious Japanese dishes that'll transport you straight to Tokyo. If pasta is more your style, Venetia Restaurant offers authentic Italian fare that would make any Nana proud. And of course, you can't visit Mexico without trying some traditional Mexican cuisine at Tamales Restaurant. Their tacos are so good, you might shed a tear of joy. For meat lovers, Isla Mujeres Restaurant doubles as a steakhouse and snack stop, perfect for those midday cravings. And if you're lucky enough to be staying in the adults-only villas section, you'll have exclusive access to Culinarium Restaurant, where gourmet international dishes are served in an elegant setting. Don't worry about going thirsty either. The hotel features several bars, including swim-up bars, where you can sip on tropical cocktails without even leaving the pool. Now that's what we call vacation bliss. Speaking of pools, the Hotel Riu Palace Mexico doesn't skimp on aquatic fun. With 4 outdoor swimming pools, including a children's pool and an adults-only pool, there's plenty of space for everyone to make a splash. The main pool is a sight to behold, with its expansive sun terrace, dotted with comfortable loungers and umbrellas. It's the perfect spot to work on your tan or catch up on that book you've been meaning to read. For those who like a bit of excitement with their relaxation, there's even a pool with water slides, because who says adults can't have fun too? The swim-up bars are a popular feature, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing cocktail without ever leaving the cool embrace of the water. And let's not forget about the beach. The hotel boasts an impressive 1.8 kilometers of pristine sandy beachfront. The crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean Sea are perfect for swimming, and the hotel offers a range of water sports for the more adventurous guests. Try your hand at snorkeling to discover the colorful underwater world, or hop on a kayak for a peaceful paddle along the coast. Beach service is top-notch, with attentive staff bringing drinks and snacks right to your lounger. As the sun sets, the beach transforms into a romantic setting, perfect for evening strolls along the shore. Just be aware that during peak seasons, the beach can get a bit crowded, so it's best to stake out your spot early. For those who like to stay active on vacation, the Hotel Riu Palace Mexico has got you covered. The fitness center is equipped with modern gym equipment, including cardio machines and free weights, perfect for keeping up with your workout routine. If you prefer group activities, join one of the fitness classes offered throughout the day. From yoga on the beach To high-energy Zumba sessions, there's something for every fitness level. Tennis enthusiasts can practice their serve on the hotel's courts, while water aerobics in the pool provides a fun and low-impact workout. But vacation isn't all about exercise. It's also about relaxation. That's where the spa comes in. The hotel's wellness center offers a range of treatments designed to soothe your body and mind. Indulge in a relaxing massage, rejuvenate with a facial, or try one of their signature treatments like a chocolate body wrap. Yes, it's as delicious as it sounds. The spa also features a sauna and steam room, perfect for detoxifying after a day in the sun. For the ultimate relaxation experience, book a couple's massage and unwind together in a serene setting. And let's not forget about the little ones. The Riu Land Kids Club offers a variety of activities to keep younger guests entertained, from arts and crafts to mini discos. It's like a vacation within a vacation. Now, let's talk about what makes the Hotel Riu Palace Mexico truly special. One of its unique selling points is the 24-hour all-inclusive service. That's right, you can satisfy those midnight cravings without worrying about extra charges. The hotel's commitment to sustainability is also noteworthy, with initiatives like energy-efficient lighting and waste reduction programs. But what really sets this hotel apart is its attention to detail and the warmth of its staff. From the moment you arrive, you're treated like royalty. Need a special pillow? They've got you covered. Craving a particular dish? The chefs will do their best to accommodate. It's this level of personalized service that keeps guests coming back year after year. While the Hotel Riu Palace Mexico is undoubtedly a paradise in itself, there's plenty to explore in the surrounding area. Just a short drive away, you'll find the Xcaret Eco Theme Park, a must-visit attraction that showcases the natural beauty and rich culture of the Riviera Maya. For those interested in Mayan history, the nearby ruins of Tulum offer a fascinating glimpse into the past. And let's not forget about Quinta Avenida, 5th Avenue in Playa del Carmen, a bustling street lined with shops, restaurants, and bars. It's the perfect place to pick up souvenirs or enjoy a night out on the town. For golf enthusiasts, the Playa Car Golf Club is just a stone's throw away, offering a challenging course with stunning views. And if you're feeling adventurous, take a day trip to the island of Cozumel, known for its world-class snorkeling and diving spots. With so much to see and do, you might find yourself extending your stay. Of course, no hotel is perfect, and it's only fair to mention a few areas where the Hotel Riu Palace Mexico could improve. Some guests have noted that the entertainment options for adults could be more varied, especially in the evenings. While the hotel does offer live music and shows, they might not be to everyone's taste. Additionally, during peak seasons, securing reservations at the specialty restaurants can be a bit challenging, so it's best to book in advance. And while the beach is undoubtedly beautiful, it can get crowded during high season, which might be a drawback for those seeking a more secluded beach experience. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.